When the sun shines, it shines for all manners of race, all people. It does not discriminate between blacks, whites, Chinese, Japanese, Indians, or any other color. It shines so that humanity can benefit from the radiance of what God has created, bringing peace and harmony to the world. The black race must understand that whatever we want to do, whatever we want to achieve, whatever we want to be in life, it is within our powers to do. We have bad governance all around the black continent. We have people that have no soul, no spirit to guide their people, to lead them right, so that Africa can become what it is to be. Humanity has watched while our leaders, while our people entrusted with the power and the authority to make changes, have disappointed us. But Africa, I ask you one question. Do we continue to wait? Do we continue to pray? Do we continue to watch these people do whatever they wish with our soul, our freedom, and our prosperity? All over the world, people are building the best technologies, the best infrastructure, the best hospitals, the best road networks for their people to enjoy. We travel to all these nations and we see the wonders and the beauty of what God has planted in us. But then, back in Africa, our leadership has refused that we will not enjoy the benefits of freedom and prosperity. Africans, you must rise and look upon yourself, because you are the ones that will determine the future of your continent. It is not the white man from America, it is not the white man from China, it is not the white man from Germany, but you. The power lies in us. We must resist the continued dominance of our people by a very few people who take everything that belongs to us for themselves. We must resist the temptation to allow ourselves to be vaccinated, to become a testing ground, to become the guinea pig of the world, because we have the best minds in the world. Look all around you, you will see that Africans have produced the best doctors, the best nurses, the best physicians. But why is our continent not enjoying this benefit? Because we have people who have sold their souls to the devil. Africa, you must arise. We are becoming the laughingstock of the world. You must arise and take power from these people, because power belongs to you. It belongs to your children. The fulfillment of joy and sorrow and happiness and everything belongs to us. We must decide and determine which we want to enjoy. Is it continued pain, or is it peace, progress, joy, and prosperity? Africa, Africa,